Hi everyone. My name is Rizwan Bukhari. I'm working as head of network security and infrastructure in EFU Life Assurance. Uh, we have been experiencing SAC4 product and services over last 2 years, and I'm very satisfied with the product and performance and their stability. Initially, we have deployed two solution from SANC4. One is VDI, and other one is SCI solution. So if we talking about VDI, SANC4 VDI is amazing product. It's have a complete VDI solution available, include hardware, virtual server, VDI licenses, thin client, and everything in one window, without having need product from different vendor, like traditionally we purchase a server from other vendor and thin client from other vendor. So it's a complete one window solution. They offer both application virtualization and full desktop virtualization solution with all required user control, and here in EFU Live we are using both. We opted VDI solution this year in during the COVID situation. For us, it's a blessing, because this solution gave us very easier to handle our user in work from home situation. They access their virtual desktop very easily from work from home situation without any hiccup and any problem. SANC4 VDI is complete one window solution, VDI solution which is stable and cost effective, with great on-site after sales services offered as compared to all competition in the Pakistani market. And other thing, as I told you initially, we also acquire SCI. SCI, we have also deployed SANC4 SCI platform, which have virtual firewall WAF in our data center. SANC4 SCI is amazing product, I think. And finally, we have some reliable SCI solution available as option beside the only known SCI in Pakistan. We did a proper POC for SCI and firewall before including into our data center. I must say we were impressed with the simplicity, GUI and robustness we experienced while testing all feature offers. SANC4 firewall offer great features, and it's a security device that one can rely on. Previously, we using multiple solutions, but this firewall gave us one window, you can say that one box solution, which have a security approach, is used to all security module are talking to each other instead of silos approach, where different boxes are used for different purposes. Firewall is also using incredible AI based approach to smartly handle modern day attacks such as ransomware. I strongly recommend SANC4 solutions such as VDI, SCI, firewall for your data center, mainly because of the simplicity, stability services SANC4 is offering in the most effective manners, particularly during tough financial situation after pandemic attack all over the world. Thank you.